Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to do crochet knotless braids using just edge control, styling gel, a crochet hook, and pre-stretched hair. So I started out by parting my client's hair, and I did go in with eco styling gel at this point and edge control just to get that part as clean and precise as I needed it to be so my client would not have zigzag parts. Then I just clean it up with my rat tail comb and separate so I can get down to my bottom row and begin those sections. So then I clean up this part again with edge control, and after this I begin to twirl those individual boxes with my eco styling gel. I did find that the eco gel was better for when I wanted to separate my boxes because when it dried it made it easier for my 3 strands when I did my plaits to be separated. And then I go in with my crochet hook and grab a thinner piece of cankelon hair, pull it through the braid, followed up by a thicker piece of cankelon hair. Now it's important that the second piece be thicker because the first entire piece of cankelon wraps around that plait and it acts as a third of the braid. So the other 2 pieces of cankelon that are the same piece but just on opposite sides, those need to be equal width to the plait or else the braid will come out uneven. And then I just repeated this process through the bottom row of my client's hair. And at this point I'm really excited because, like I said before, this was my first time ever doing a process like this, and I was really excited about how it was coming out. So that's just a close-up, and then I parted and sectioned the next half of my client's hair. And here I am repeating that same process with the smaller piece of cankelon and the bigger piece. And I just braided it down normally. Now, right here, it is important to note that I made sure that my client's plait was under the cankelon at all times so it would not show through in the final product of the braid. And as I do this process, it looks like you can see it a little bit at the top, but what I noticed was every time I got finished, I couldn't see it anymore. I was just mindful about keeping that cankelon on top. And then I'm just repeating the process throughout my client's head. 1 strand of cankelon, second bigger strand, braid down, move on. I did notice that I went faster after I completed the plaits, and this is me finishing up with mousse. I trimmed just a few flyaways, and I did dip, but I did not record the dip, and this was the end result. So let me know what you guys think, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share.